Hello C++ students. So there's a question from one of the students, Natasha, I hope I pronounced your name correctly, and you were talking about exercise 9.3, page 103. The question goes as follows. When Bongi's new baby, Sipo, was born, she opened a savings account with 1,000 rands. On each birthday, starting with the first, the bank added an interest of 4.5% of the balance, and Bongi added 500 rand to the account. Write a loop that will calculate how much money was in the account on Sipo's 18th birthday. So let's go through the program. Alright, in honor of her question, line 11 says, see out Natasha's program. Or it's Natisha. So balance equals 1,000 rand, that's the initial amount. Total balance and final balance are both declared to be float. The reason is we have rands and cents. Counter will always be an integer. That's because when we count 1, 2, 3. I won't count 1.5 people, 2.5 people, 3.5 people. This is the amount of interest. It's 4.5%. I assume they've taken that and they've divided it by 100 and they got 0.045. Your deposit is what you put in every month, 500 rands. So we start off by assigning counter to 1. Total balance is equal to your balance. Now we need this because inside the loop we're going to increment the value for Sipo, which is he's basically getting more and more money. While counter is less than or equal to 18, so we're going to count until his 18th birthday. Sipo starts from year 1, he'll have 1,000 rands. At the end of year 1, he's going to have 1,000 rands plus a 500 rand deposit plus the interest on the 1,000 rands. Okay, so the total balance, this plus equal to sign means total balance is equal to the previous balance, total balance, plus whatever it is multiplied by interest. So if this was 1,000 rands, we took 4.5% of that. It works out to what's it? Well, let's take my calculator. Here's my calculator. So calculator. Let's see if we can work it out. So it was 1,000 rands multiplied by 4.5 divided by 100, so it's 45. So he should get 1,045 rand. Add the deposit to that, and you go on and on and on. Now, these are important points about the loop. You'll notice that the loop has to have a terminating condition. So we're terminating when the child turns 18. Inside the loop, we've got to increment counter. Oh, very importantly, before we enter the loop, we got to ensure that the loop variable has been assigned a value. And ultimately, when we come out of the loop, you'll notice that we have a balance on Sipo. Let's run the program. Build and run. And there we go. So the balance on the account on Sipo's birthday is 15,636 rand and 2 cents. Can you see set F, iOS fixed and count.precision 2? That ensures that I have 2 decimal places after the decimal point. So it's in cents. And that does it. I hope you like it. It's 4 minutes.